In this video, you will learn our best tips on installing SKS column refrigerators. This training is intended for authorized servicing technicians and is subject to change at any time. For the purpose of this video, we assume you're a seasoned professional installer. We will focus more on noteworthy procedures and quickly cover the commonplace practices. Protective equipment should be worn at all times during the repair process. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or possibly death. Installation manuals can be found at signaturekitchensuite.com. Please review all safety instructions and guidelines in the installation manual. Especially be aware of a tipping hazard. Always use at least 2 people to move the unit. Before install day, you should discuss the orientation of the doors and verify there are proper clearances. Pins are included to limit the doors from opening more than 90 degrees. Wait until the unit is installed and secured before inserting the pins. Another detail that should be addressed before installation day is power outlets. Each unit has its own sealed system and will need a plug. You may also need more than one water connection, depending on the units being installed. There should also be an easy-to-access shutoff valve for the water supply. Check all of the packing material for accessories. There may be items attached to the unit itself. Remove those before installing. Prepping for install includes installing anti-tip brackets, removing base panels, removing brackets, and installing the unification kit. 2 anti-tip brackets are required for each column. Brackets must overlap the appliance a minimum of 2 1/8 inch, or 54 millimeters. The base panels are held on with 2 screws. There is a Wi-Fi module mounted to the plate. The module has a long cable attached to it. It is best to remove it for the install to avoid damage. Unplug the cable to remove it. Do not try to remove the connector from the board. Any 2 products being installed flush together require the use of a unification kit. All column units will come with this kit. Now remove any unused cabinet brackets. Remove all inside brackets. These are the ones that will not be used to attach the unit to a cabinet. An installation mat helps prevent condensation from forming between the 2 appliances. 4 brackets must be installed to join the unit. You can use a moving strap to hold the units together. This will help line up the screw holes. And now you're ready to install. When pushing the unit in, make sure not to damage power cords or water lines. The unit should roll backwards easily. If not, the feet need to be raised. Level the unit starting with the back legs. The weight of the refrigerator should be on the legs, not the wheels. Align the front of the unit to the cabinet and attach it. If needed, you can install door pins. Make sure the pins are fully inserted or it will damage the hinge cover. When it's time to install the door panels, add some weight to the doors to represent a typical load. Make sure you use the correct screws. The proper screws will come with the panel. Align and level the door panels on all 3 planes. If you're not sure how to level the door panels, we will be releasing a separate video just on door panel installation. Now is a good time to adjust the door spring tension if needed. Remember that piece of trim taped to the back of the unit? Here's how to install it. Install other trim pieces and air separators. The air separator is required. It separates the air intake from the air exhaust. Our last tip has to do with the kick plates. There's a cutout on the kick plate that must be placed over the Wi-Fi module. Thanks for watching. If you have any issues, please contact your account manager or our 24/7 customer care.